This is our house. This is my spouse.
It's cold out here.
Holiday edition. We love doing outside lights, especially when it's 41 degrees, right? But the brighter side of things is that the sun is out.
It's bright in the background too. It's
Yeah.
like God over my head. See the ray? See that ray? It's like hitting you on the side of the head right now.
Yes. Yeah,
Does
it
that
is.
hurt?
It is Sunday, and no, it doesn't hurt. First rule of putting
Fight
lights
Club?
up is unboxing the lights.
Right.
And we have this fun thing we started a couple years ago, and we wrap our tree trunks like Opryland, like with multiple lights all the way around. It's so fun. It does make you a little dizzy, kind of disorients you when you're doing it, but we're doing it during the day instead of at night, so hopefully that will help our depth perception.
Yeah, or maybe it won't make them right on the tree and we'll have to come out here and redo them at night, which I don't want to do that. It's really
It's a
cold.
possibility.
Yeah,
That's true.
right.
So I was just informed that the first order of business in doing all this is to clean the dog poop out of the yard, which apparently is around here enough for some people to step in it. Although there are borders right here. They can't get any farther. This is all the trees are out there.
I know, but the world is their oyster.
Five? One, two,
We're doing
three,
5
four,
trees.
five.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are wrapping 5 trees in lights. Are you excited?
No, and that's not the hard part. The hard part is stringing together the mass of electricity that has to be carried out here and made sure it doesn't get all of that.
You ready? Here we go. Tree number 1. Check in with us in about 30 minutes.
Yay.
Okay.
You gotta go under, right there.
No, it's
Hold
not. It is under.
It
Okay.
is.
All right.
Go.
Now, wind.
I'm winding.
Wind. But it's got to be closer together. Like Opryland.
Like, why? Opryland doesn't exist anymore. It's Opry Mills now.
No, Opryland. Here. I need to wrap. Let me wrap.
Okay, it's a wrap.
I'm going to wrap.
Go.
Round and around she goes.
I just stop.
Get a little dizzy there?
It's deceivingly dizzy. Like,
Yeah.
I am just walking in circles.
I think it's
I got gloves. I found gloves.
Hallelujah. You know who doesn't? This tough hombre, because I don't need them.
No, that's not the truth. You said you couldn't find your gloves.
I can't use gloves anyway. 30 years in construction. There's my glove.
What's wrong?
This end goes down, not that end.
How did we do that wrong? This is only our second tree.
My second tree.
Let me get off the ladder. Let me get off the ladder. Like, okay. Carefully.
I think it's going to come loose from the tree
Just
and
say
unwind
hurry.
itself.
Oh, God.
Told you, it's going to unwind itself.
Why exactly are we doing this? Undoing this?
because of this right here. There was a technical malfunction where that should go at the top, not at the bottom. That's really hard
Why
to
am
plug
I
in.
unwinding this? Why are you not helping?
This is your
We need a
project.
tag team.
This is your project. This is your look at your bundle of lights. Hey, good luck unbundling that. I'm looking forward to that.
This has got jacked up, written all over it.
I know, but it's okay. It's working. We just have to keep rolling. Here, like I'm gonna separate.
No,
And you're gonna unwind.
I think I'm the one
You're
separating here.
okay. Here. Do you feel like Clark Griswold yet?
I have since we started. I have since last year.
Do you think Martha Stewart does this?
No.
Do you think she decorates?
Martha Stewart pays people to do that.
All right, 2 trees down.
Yep.
3 to go. Hey, I think we're making some good timing here, actually. Last year, it wasn't this fast for Amanda and I.
Yeah, but we got there's a lot of wiring yet to do.
I know, but
It's
it's
a lot
still
of wiring.
still daylight, and that's okay, right?
Yeah.
Look, we have 2 ladders. We're very efficient. We have your truck over there. It's all working.
You know, it gets colder from here. There's a pooper scooper in the yard, too. And
I
a
know.
dog.
I had to stop and scoop up the poo.
Oh, here we go. Hey, there's more.
Really? When you were little, did your mom put lights up outside?
No. We did not do trees. We did not do trees outside or lights outside.
Bah humbug.
No, it just didn't have time.
Oh, okay. All right.
3 kids. Everybody worked 24/7.
We work 24/7.
Yeah,
We're making time.
we are.
What do you think Chip and Joanna Gaines are doing right now? Do you think that they're wrapping lights around trees where they live?
Who is that? Disney charges $1,000 a day to be this dizzy.
Do you have to stop for a minute?
Yeah, I had to hold on to the tree to something stable.
What tree is this?
This is Mondo number 5.
Not Mondo number 5. Mambo. You just said Mondo.
Did I?
It's Mambo. Mambo number 5.
Gotcha.
Tree number 5.
All this time.
Did you always say Mondo?
No, but Mando is something too. I think it's
Oh, which brings me to a great point. Neil Diamond song, Forever in Blue Jeans. You know what I used to call it?
Give it to me.
Reverend Blue Jeans.
Somebody
Reverend
else with
Blue
that,
Jeans,
with an
babe.
Elvis song. What was it? Return to Sender.
Yeah.
I had a friend who thought it was Return December. No kidding. So after Dawn filled me in on who the Gaines people are, because
Chip and Joanna.
But I thought it was like Brad Gaines or Greg Gaines' brother, who were famous football guys from around the area here. But the other thing is, I think maybe they're looking and wondering what we're doing. Maybe they're checking our videos out and saying, wonder what Pat and Dawn are doing today.
Chip and Joanna Gaines are actually watching our stuff, House and
Yes.
Spouse?
Yes.
I mean, if you are, shout out, guys.
I'm sure they're getting ideas.
Oh, yeah. They're checking out our stuff for
Yeah.
sure. Yeah, Pat laughs and says that he feels like I used up my cold quota from Ohio, because that's where I'm from, and moving to the South has thinned my blood. I mean, who knows? Maybe he's right.
You see this right here?
Yes.
This brings up memories of Saving Private Ryan.
Wait.
This is what the demo guy was doing when he was
Oh
in
my God.
Brunel, when he was setting up that ambush for the Germans who were coming.
Okay.
That's what he was doing right here.
So basically what you're saying is that we are military ready.
Yep, C4 composition B. I'm gonna blow these trees to kingdom come. All on. So
Yeah. There we go. We just need to put it to music and charge admission. So check it out. Oh. On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off.
we had some Mannheim steamroller going on out here. We'd have a full blown thing.
Hey, all we need to do now is add a bunch of inflatables and have people driving by and put it to Christmas music, right?
No,